Cold temperatures can prevent cold lay tarmac from bonding and curing properly, risking a failed repair. Cold slows the chemical setting process of cold lay tarmac and reduces its ability to adhere to existing pavement. So avoid working when air or surface temperatures are at or below freezing. Prepare the patch by sweeping and drying the area thoroughly, because loose debris and moisture create barriers to adhesion. If the surface is icy, melt and dry it with a portable heat source or warm water, and immediately dry before the material cools. Warm the cold lay material where possible by storing it in a heated garage or using warm water in sealed containers so it becomes more malleable but not hot. Knead it by hand with gloves to restore pliability when it is slightly warmed. Check the manufacturer instructions for any primer or tack coat recommendations, since some products need a specific surface treatment to bond under cooler conditions. Compacting pressure is more important in cold weather, so use a hand tamper or the back of a shovel and apply steady, even force to expel trapped air and achieve full contact with the substrate. If forecasted temperatures will fall well below freezing within the next 24 hours, delay the repair until a milder stretch to allow proper curing. Temporary sand filling can stabilize the area until you can perform a permanent fix. Common mistakes include applying cold lay tarmac on a damp or icy surface, which prevents adhesion and leaves a loose patch, so always fully remove moisture and wait for a dry window. Another frequent issue is using material that has become too stiff from cold storage, which makes compaction poor, so warm the bags gently and knead until pliable before placing. A third problem is insufficient compaction, which lets water infiltrate and freeze, breaking the repair, so press firmly and check edges to ensure full contact and a slightly convex finished surface to shed water. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a space where we can share experiences and practical tips about seasonal repairs like cold lay tarmac. Our discussion community lets us and others ask questions, compare approaches, and find help from neighbors and professionals when planning the right time and method for a lasting repair.